What's up, guys? I need to talk to you guys about something because I think, the way that we all watch these crypto videos and we take in this crypto information, is kind of the wrong way. I never, ever, ever encourage anybody to buy anything. I'm not going to tell you to purchase or sell anything. I will tell you to develop your own exit strategy, develop your own strategy to purchase, develop your own strategy to hold. Whatever you decide to do, it's on you. Not just to protect myself, it's to protect your future investment strategy. Because if I'm not here and you make a ton of money with me and I'm not here, what happens? You don't really make that money, or you have to go to somebody else. You're jumping ship to follow somebody else and somebody else's decision. I'm always into letting people be able to develop for themselves. There have been plenty of people that I have had as moderators on the channel or admin on the channel or in the community that have branched off into their own success, into their own areas. And maybe they've had a lot more success, or maybe they haven't, right? Maybe they've given up on that journey. But the point is that I leave it to them to make that decision. I never want to encourage anyone to purchase a position that they don't need to purchase. There are opportunities everywhere, and I want you guys to see those opportunities. So in this video, I really want to talk about this because I think this is something that is misconstrued with my channel, especially my channel. I would say, everybody else, I can't speak for every other influencer or whatever term you want to use, YouTuber that's out there, but we're not all the same, right? I like the views. The viewership is great. It's always something that the dopamine is high within that because you try and make sure you gather more and more views every single day and gather more and more revenue and all of these things that are there. But my goal with this channel has always been to help people, whether I was talking about credit cards, I was talking about personal finance and budgeting, or whether I'm talking about investing or investing into crypto and the stock market and long-term investment. My goal is to show you what I do so that you can learn maybe from that strategy and implement some of those things into your own strategy. So before we get into this, guys, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you guys are interested in any more videos like this one. Not many videos like this one, but videos in general. But let's kind of get into this and let's like kind of have a deep conversation because I've seen a lot of people that have come through the comment section. I read every comment. I don't respond to every comment, but I do read as many comments as possible. And some of the comments will come by and say, hey, you're talking about this position because it's up, 50%. I like for Krill coin, it was up to $1.50 from a level of where I invested at 43 cents. Um, and I talked about it because of the fact that I've been invested in Krill coin for a long period of time. I talk about these plays because I'm invested into them. And I'm excited about the fact that they have run, right? And I expected them to run, but I'm excited about the fact that they do run. But the comments that come across the board is always about, hey, you don't know what you're talking about. Nobody should follow you, and all of this, right? Where nobody should take advice from you. I've never said that anybody should take advice from me. Honestly, you shouldn't take advice from anybody but yourself. I don't even care if it's Warren Buffett. You should always take your own opinions over everybody else's opinions because you're the one putting up the money. It's just like if you're going to go and buy a t-shirt, you're justifying whether it's worth the purchase for you, for your money. Do the same thing with your investments. So why is it such a big deal that, I will talk about something that I'm heavily invested into when it is my platform? Now, some people will be like, look, Matt, you don't even need to make a video about this. Why are you even talking about this? Well, I take pride in, my image in a way. I'm not going to sit here and push for every comment to be positive. I don't care about that. What I do care about is spreading the right message. And if that's the message that's coming across where I'm maybe pushing out something and people are buying those positions, I don't want that. People buy the positions and they give me all of these, comments and live stream chats where they're telling me, hey, I purchased VSG or I purchased Reddit or I purchased, whatever position you were talking about and I made a boatload of money or I made 100 or 200%, 300%. And while that does sound great that you made so much money off of this purchase, um, I don't expect anybody to follow me. And what's great about this, and I think you can take this as more of a positive within that, and I take it as a positive, is that they've made so much money with those plays and they sold, right? It wasn't something where they hold because I hold, right? I'm not telling people, I tell people exactly what I hold here, but they're not holding just because I hold. They get the gains and then they leave the play, right? Which may not be great for absolutely everybody. Maybe the next person that sees an opportunity, it is a player versus player market, but it's always great to hear that people have these gains. But I don't encourage people to purchase those positions. I tell people about them, open the door, and if they see that opportunity, they walk through it. So I don't want this to be misconstrued to say that I'm, doing any type of pump and dumps in any way. All the positions that I've talked about that I held, I still hold today because I understand the long-term aspect of it. And I'm more of a long-term trader by nature, especially when you look at how the bear market has been. So I know it's tough to see videos that are coming out and I talk about the same things over and over again. I'll talk about XRP, I'll talk about Jasmine Coin, I'll talk about, Terra Luna Classic or CRO or Krill Coin or all the positions that I hold, but I don't talk about the ones that you want me to talk about is because I'm not here to pump your plays. I'm not here to pump your bags. I'm here to improve your strategies and maybe give you a selling strategy as well as a buying strategy. And hopefully you can build upon that to make it better. And just like all the people that are moderators, all the people that were admin, all the people that were members, and they've gone off to branch onto their own thing, their own strategy, their own, communities and all of that. Just like that, I want you guys to do the same thing. Not saying you have to create your own YouTube channel, but branch off to create your own strategy and feel confident about what you're doing. Feel confident enough to where if you wanted to make a copy trading plan or strategy on Margex, you would be confident that people would also follow that because you make this level of profits over there. And people always ask me, can you teach me how to trade on Margex and how to get these profits that you're getting? It's fairly simple for me, but you won't have the same mindset or selling strategy that I have. So I just kind of wanted to rant to you guys for a little bit and give you my opinion on where I stand because I've come a long way on YouTube and doing so many different things to help people that I really don't want that to be the narrative to where I'm trying to pull any money from anybody because all of the positions like Reddit, Grok, Jasmine Coin, XRP, all those positions that I talk about that people will say, hey, this is just an opportunity for you to pump your bags and have other people be exit liquidity. That's never what I'm looking for. There are people out there like that, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for growth together. Eventually, it's player versus player. The last person to get in, I will have certain exit plans that will probably have maybe a slight impact, not a crazy impact because it's not millions of dollars. It'll be probably thousands of dollars. So it won't have a crazy impact, but it will be part of my exit strategy that I've put forth months ago, maybe even years ago at this point. So, anyways, guys, I just wanted to put something out here that you guys know how I'm feeling, where my head is right now, and kind of clear things up because I haven't made one of these kind of clear things up videos in a while. It's always been about what's going on with this, what's going on with that, what's going on with that. And I honestly want to have these videos to just rant and just kind of vent to you guys. And whether you'll listen or not, that's totally up to you. But I just wanted to put this video out here. So let me know what you're thinking about my channel. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.